Do you have any? That doesn't seem to help. Let's just try it on the small screen for now. Okay, can we see the bottom? Definitely looks like a shelf or a shadow, doesn't it? Looks like an edge of a rock. Could that be a rock formation we're seeing the edge of? And what's this here? That looks like a rock. And it gets blinded by the light. Right, it moved over this way. Alright, looks like a shadow effect happening here too, doesn't it? Looks like it's reflecting off a rock here, doesn't it? Looks like a shelf. So what I was thinking was a shadow is actually a shelf of a rock. So that means if there could be a boulder on top, right? Let's just keep on going. So we're looking at the shelf of that side of that rock. So we got debris. And that could explain why that bit's dropping so fast, because it's coming off the shelf and then it's shooting into that void that's right there, right? It's falling off the edge of that thing and then it starts drifting in the current. Look, there's the shelf. Look, you can see the shelf. It's got to be a rock thing. It's not a shadow. You can only get that with filtering. Did McWest do filters? In fact, it looks like it's got some little ripples on it there, isn't it, on the rock? Could be low res artifact though. Yeah, it probably is. Now that looks like a rock shelf here. I think we're being misled by it. That was definitely a rock there. I could just see it this then. Does it end now? Let's just keep on playing. There's the US. Now we can see that better, can't we? But this guy doesn't do any analysis on it. It doesn't slow it down. That was meant to be slowed down. Definitely a rock shelf here. 2 levels, is it? 1, 2, 3. Moving. So that means it's in some sort of current and it's moving towards them, and as it gets closer they get illuminated by the spotlight. So this here is the U.S.O.
Everything just moved. Everything just moved. Did you see that? Everything just moved.
What moved?
All that debris, it moved.
Well, there's the U.S.O. in question. Now we can actually see it, right? Now we can see where it's coming from. So we know it's passing over top of a rock shelf, so we can eliminate it being a rock. Okay, so we solved that one. So we ticked that one off the list. Debris.
It's at a higher level. It's not down deep where the rocks are. It's the higher level to the rocks.
Well, it's another thing we can now see is that it's actually above that rock shelf. So it doesn't rule out a biological life form. And it seems to come on the other side. It looks like it's coming down, but it's actually moving forward with the debris.
We're in the deep ocean. We don't even know what biological life forms are.
Okay, so
we can't even tell what
if
shape it is.
McWest is right, that object should be moving at the same speed as this other debris. So every time we go forward, yeah, the current should be the same if it's debris, right? And we can rule out whether it's self-powered. So let's just go through this. Is that moving with the debris? I think it's going faster than the debris. What do you reckon?
Faster.
See that? That's a lot faster than the debris. So that means either there's 2 crazy currents happening at different levels.
Or it's underwater
so
aliens.
That rules out debris in my book. So that means McWest is wrong. And I bet he didn't do any filters like I just done. Just to enhance stuff so you can see it better.
No, he just did the trail.
in shape, and it looks like the shape was constant. So we can muck around with the brightness now. So you can see it definitely looks like it's got something attached to the back of it here. So you can see here, it looks like a hole. And it looks like a fin tilted up, looks biological to me. Biological, like a stingray. It does look like a stingray. Or some submersible sub as well. It looks like it might have like a mouthpiece here, which a sub wouldn't have, right? But you
What
can
if
see,
it's a Chinese drone? Chinese underwater spy drone?
well, it could be, and we can't rule that out. But let's try color swap. I don't think it's going to help us. And when you can see, that's mostly black and white. But look, you can see definitely it's defined shape, and the spotlight just caught the edge of it and illuminated some of it here. And there we go, inverting it a wee bit. It does look like something going backwards, doesn't it?
U.S.O it's like looking at the U.S.O as it's
Looks like a mouthpiece there. It looks like an eye there and an eye there, doesn't it? And then the tail fin going off this way. So let's have a look at Stingray. I'll just hit a ray. Okay. It does look like a flying saucer though, doesn't it? And look, it does have a sort of opening there and a mouthpiece underneath. Whereabouts the eyes on this thing? There and there, is it? Bit hard to see the eyes. Oh, there you go. It has a funny mouthpiece. But maybe you get different stingray species, right? Got that one there. What's this one here? Ah, look at this thing here. That's got the flappy bits on the front. Is that the Manta-Ray or is that a stingray? Oh no, it's got a tail as well. So let's have a look at that one. It does say stingray. There's the flappy bits. Let's see if we can get some more images of that one. Could be, but we're only following the facts, and seems to line up with the tail there, right? So we see it coming like that. So Mick West is wrong, it's not debris.
Mick West can't be right every time.
We proved them wrong because we saw that the object was moving 8 times faster than the debris was. Yeah, there we go. Haven't got the right size. It's almost there. I think the wingtip needs to be up some angle. So the wings may not be quite right because of that. But I think that's the best we can do. Yeah, I'm not 100% happy with it though. But we are getting distortion. So the actual, it might not actually be a bent wing here. It might be that we're just not seeing it. But there's the mouthpiece there, there's the eye, there's the other eye. Yeah, we might not be seeing the wingtips because they are very black. But it may not be the right one still, because there were some that had more rounded shape in those search that we did. So, is there stingrays that have mouthpieces the same as this? See, there's the white bits there. You need to sort those filters out, Gabbo. You sound like Darth Vader here. It's giving me the creep.
I'm not even breathing.
You are. You sound like you're Darth Vader, mate.
My filters are on.
Why don't you try blowing out your nose? Look, you can see how white this one is.
But my mouth was shut. My mouth was shut. I wasn't even breathing out of my mouth.
Do you hear Gabbo's breathing, guys? Is it annoying? You might have to mute yourself when you're not talking. Agree. What have we got here? Snipes, how's it going? I've just been focusing on the analyzing screen. Forgot clock went forward tonight. Oh no! Your daylight savings changing and ours is changes in April, so I'm not sure how that's going to muck up things. Hey Robert, how's it going? Not enough resolution to come to any conclusion. Not sure on that. Yes, but no sign of flapping. Yeah, but you can see that they glide just like a plane. They bend their wings up like this. You can see the angle bent up on this one. See how much it's bent up here? On this image here? So it still could be a Manta-Ray, right? And you're getting the reflection off the wingtip as it's this glide, and it looked like it was angled really up there before. Look, so that's more of a upwards shape there. And then looks like it's unbending a wee bit. See how it's sort of unbending? And something happens there with the camera. It looks like it's just gliding on that last bit there. Look, we can see the tail end of this now. Look. You can see, if I can only point to the thing. Look, you can see the shape of it now. Looks like a bit of a tail going up this way. You can see that eye. The eye is in a constant place there, where the spotlight is. And look, it's definitely angling upwards. Look, it comes up a wee bit. You can see the mouth opens up a bit more there. See that there? At the very end frame. It's like it's looking at the ROV submarine, wondering what it is. Look, so it looks upwards. Looks upwards. Angles up a wee bit. So it's coming along, then sees the sub with the big spotlight to wonder what it is. It's just curious. Now you can see it flapping the wing there, look. See that? I know it's pretty low res crap footage, but I think there's enough clues in it to see there's a living thing. And that's my final verdict. It's definitely